A world without work. Let's talk about it. It's been 5 years since the blast. Work as it was known 10 years prior is now sparse. Well, for humans that is. The rebuild was deemed just too dangerous. Contamination, fallout, and the benefit of silicone resistance. So the nations all agreed, and they would go all out, that the humanoids would be the ones on the ground to do the work, brick by brick. It took 4 years, the bots never missed a trick. Tick by tick in real time, the world watched a new order form with some semblance of normality. So many sacrificed because a few in power have a warped sense of morality. But violence begets violence, a ritual mindset. The general public was shocked into silence. A minority rebelled, their protests fell on deaf ears, the politicians sold them out like tyrants. In the majority, some blind xenophobes, ironically, now touched tight and mixed up with migrants. People were encouraged to forget. Collective trauma, mixed with regret, was deep-rooted. Those who couldn't face the reality would use their VR to escape the effect. Schedule reconciliation sessions, reprogramming. What was the causality? Big tech. Lessons about the war told by the victors, like the Gnostic scriptures story of the demiurge. A world created after the purge, the Truman Show began to emerge. Collective amnesia started to surge among the public. Death of the Republic, no Christos return, just Christoph so diabolic, in control of the narrative that's hyperbolic. Propaganda, so much media slander, talking heads to pander to the people's fear, just to mute the anger. A world that Jude hated, Gen Alpha frustrated. Years spent watching screens isolated, educated online in the metaverse, graduated unemployed, a digital curse, with limited jobs available. Could it get any worse? Well, in a world without work, to avoid social unrest, the governments all turn to UBI, that's universal basic income for everyone. No work required, crisis opportunity, programmable money airdrop to your digital wallet, with the promise to help boost your social credit. Within 13 days of circulation, 84% of the population downloaded the software. Scroll down, tick this box, no need to read the documentation. No force to the politicians, it was a revelation. And the justification to change the regulation. To tie your digital ID to your bank account, to a central server up in the sky, and then try the AI crossover. To them, this was the answer to the problem that they created, motivated to fulfill the prophecy where the algorithms and robots run the economy. I am Dean Connell. Come and sign up to my weekly newsletter. The link is in the description. And while you're there, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.